तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। ये हमारा डिलीवर हो चुका है iQoo Neo 10R। आज मुझे मिल चुका है ये। मैंने इसको ऑर्डर किया था 11 मार्च को प्री बुक तो आज मुझे फाइनली मिल चुका है ये। इसको हम अनबॉक्स करते हैं, देखते हैं पैकेजिंग कैसी है। पैकेजिंग तो मुझे बहुत डिसेंट लग रही है, कुछ लग नहीं रहा है इसके अंदर खास। तो चलो इस सील को कट करते हैं, देखते हैं अंदर कुछ है या नहीं। पता चले साबुन निकल जाए भाई। दिख रहा है भाई। है अपना नियो 10R है भाई इसके अंदर। फाइनली गाइस, नियो 10R इज हियर। भाई क्या लग रहा है भाई, बॉक्स प्रीमियम। इसका जो वेरिएंट है 256 GB 12 GB रैम, यूएफएस स्टोरेज 4.1। ले आप सब लोगों के लिए इसका गेमिंग टेस्ट लेकर आऊँगा। PGMI का 120 FPS पर।
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the
चलो इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं।
Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Find out what it means. On my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline.